Lord, let me get her. Oh man, what happened? Oh my goodness, giant snook trying to eat her. Oh my goodness, she just ate it. No, it's a barracuda. No, no, no. Oh my goodness, she's right there. She's right there.
I don't even have it.
Look, right there. Right there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, darling. Oh! No! It ain't my baby barracuda! What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in with Lined Up Fishing, and welcome back. This is part 2 of the Ultralight Challenge, and as you seen last time, we were killing it with these Ultralight 8-inch, so stay tuned, stick with us. This is going to be a good episode. If you're new to the channel, thank you for tuning in, and let's go then. First throw. What do I got? Barracuda! 9 points! 9 points for a barracuda. Make sure she's 10 inches. I think she is. That was my first throw. I forgot to turn on the camera. Oh yeah, she's 11.5. Barracuda, 9 points. Thank you, Lord. That's 78. Yep. Oh, oh, oh. That's kind of fighting like a jack. Oh, man. It's a solid fish. Be a snook. Or another pump now. Get him, Josh. Get him. Double up. Double up. You got a snook? You want the net? Trout? What? Nice trout, man. I got a nice jack. Ah, double up. Ah. It brings me at 48. Well, not 48, but 88. Ah, that hook's sharp. Thank you, Lord. Ooh! Jacks! Jacks! Snooks?
Nope.
Yeah, there it is! There it is! Yeah, there was another jack. There was another bigger jack. She hit mine. Oh! Oh! Come on! We're trolling, y'all. Let me grab the net. Bluefish! Get him in! Get him in! That's 8 points! Or 7 points. 7 points. Get off, man. That's 9 foot up in the trees. Look at that snook. Oh my goodness, there's 2 of them. Oh my goodness, that was the oh, there was 2 of them. That was a 40-inch snook. Oh my goodness, that was a 40-inch snook. Oh my goodness, my heart just skipped a beat. Oh, I just had a heart attack.
All I see was
I just had a heart attack. There's 2 of them. One was about 30 and one was like 40, 42 inches. That thing was 10 inches across. It's not gonna come off. You're gonna have to break it off or just tighten it down and pull it. Oh my goodness. Eat my tout. I don't see nothing underneath those docks. Look at those snook. Oh my goodness, there's 5 of them. Look at them snook right back up in there, Josh. You see them?
I see him.
There's 5 30 inches up underneath there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna come back over in here. There's 5 30-inch snook underneath that dock. I kid you not. Ooh! Oh! She hit it! She hit it! She hit it! No! I hit a 32, yeah.
Was that one?
Look, there's a little one. There's a little one. There's a little one. Let's see if she'll eat it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Lord, let her come out. Lord, let her come out. I got her out. I got her out. That's one. That's one. Yeah, some beautiful fish. Beautiful snook.
9 inches.
Beautiful snook. Yep. Well, 8 inches. That's 107 for me. I could see her sitting right here. What are you doing, man? Oh, wow. It's a big difference.
What's the big difference?
Huge difference putting on my cassette sunglasses, man. Huge difference. I could see him before without glasses whenever it was overcast, but now with that sun up, big difference.
I was doing this.
Oh, nice fish. Nice fish.
Net?
I think it's a nice trout.
Net.
Lord, let me get her. Oh man, what happened? Oh my goodness, giant snook trying to eat her. Oh my goodness, she just ate it. No, it's a barracuda. No, no, no. Oh my goodness, she's right there. She's right there. Barracuda trying to eat it. Oh my goodness, monster barracuda. Look at this. It ain't my baby barracuda. I thought it was a giant snook. No, it ain't my baby barracuda. Dude, that barracuda was that long. That was 30-something inch barracuda.
Tim couldn't use that for bait.
That barracuda.
You wouldn't have had her.
Little snook. That's over 10 inches. Okay. Little snook. That's 8. Here they come. Or something's coming. Look at that trout. Redfish. Redfish. Throw behind the boat. Somebody throw behind the boat. Throw straight back behind the boat.
They came from out there?
Yep. Oh, thank you, Lord. Lord, let come by. I think it's a snook. No. That current's drifting us out. It's not a terrible snook either. Get him! Double up. No, it's a jack. What you got, a snapper? Yep, a snapper. That might be keeper. Oh my goodness, there's another jack with him. Yeah, you think? You think? It's got to be 10.
Throw it.
Yeah. Looks like another little snook. 8 plus 108.
Is that 10 inches?
I don't know, you're gonna have to measure it. My last one was, no, 107.
I was about to say, Jack.
Yep. 8 plus 108 is 107. That's 15 plus that 8. That's 123. I got 123. Because it's on my pole. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Net.
Uh-oh.
Net.
That's a nice one.
That's net.
Yeah, that's probably a netter. Is that a trout? It is a trout. Nice trout.
Man, I'm liking this net too.
Nice trout. Lord, let us get in this thing. Nice trout. Real nice trout. Oh my goodness. Lord, let us get it. Nice trout. Oh, man, that's a nice trout. I thought it was a snook. What'd I tell you about this flat, Josh? What'd I tell you?
Wait, I know this.
This is where your dad got broke off by that big snook. Look at that trout. Beauty. No! Big barracuda. Look at the size of that mullet, man.
Probably going for that mullet.
Ah!
Did you just break your pole?
No, there's a redfish. There's a redfish, Josh. Drop it down there. Drop it straight down. See it down there? No, it's right here. Right here. Oh my goodness, she just spooked. She just spooked.
Something hit it.
There was a redfish. That was a slot redfish. Oh my goodness, look at that sheep head. That might be a black drum. Look at that sheep head. There's a lot of fish right here, y'all. There is... Yep. There is a lot of fish on this thing. There's another... Thank you, Lord. Number 8.
How do you know that was 10 inches?
Because it's easily 10 inches. I don't know if that's in the skin or not.
At least nothing went overboard, right?
I don't know. I don't even know what's going on here. That was a big bonnet head though. That one.
Think I could have caught it?
Probably.
On TV?
A nice bonnet head. Four and a half, 5 footer, I'd say.
1 and a 5?
Hmm?
5 footer?
4 and a half, 5 footer. What? Yep, there she is. There she is.
That's regular.
You've done it wrong.
Tim, turn the boat back around.
She's gone. You done it, missed her. You missed her with that first initial snag. She's gonna be spooked now.
Take us up in there.
About to. That's a big fish. Not as big as what I thought, but it's nice, I think.
You took my fish, Tim.
No, it's not. It's not a big fish. No, it's a snook. Not horrible. Oh, I just slung it. It don't count. Cried.
Yeah, that's something big hit this and I don't even have it.
Look right there. Right there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, darling.
Drink the water?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, that's a big bonnet head too. It just pulled off. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Thank you, Lord. I'm coming up to the front. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I actually hooked it with this thing. If I catch this, it's going to be like Jesus.
You want to get net?
No. Put it up. Put your fingers like this. It just pulled off. No. No. Dude, that bonnet head was 5 foot. Did you see it? I can't believe I actually hooked it.
It was going to eat your bait.
Dude.
Not even afraid or nothing.
So sharp as could be. Oh.
I say we jerked it.
I had her too. She was wore out.
You gonna put that bonnet head in there?
Oh yeah. Dude, that's the biggest one I've hooked. 5 foot shark on an ultralight. What's a mullet?
No.
What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning back in with Lined Up Fishing. Hope you enjoyed part 2 of the ultralight challenge. And tip of the day, get you some braid if you are going to do this challenge as well. Because anytime you're doing any type of ultralight challenge, light rod challenge, you want to use braid because it has no stretch. So you can get a good hook set, you can get a good hook inside that fish and catch them. So thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to check out that subscribe button right there. That's a great button to press, by the way. And check out Cassette. I'll drop a link in the description. Use promo code LINEDUP right there for 20% off. Any pair you want and every pair you want. So go check them out. Fantastic pair of sunglasses. Really helped me out for sight fishing inside this fishing trip. And Happy New Year's as well. I hope all of y'all had a great last year. And remember, I'll see you next time on Lined Up Fishing.